When your partner cheats, your world breaks open. You expect pain, confusion, maybe even anger. But what about the things no one tells you? The messy, raw, unexpected truths that show up when you're reeling from betrayal. Hi, and welcome back to After Infidelity, What Now? In this video, we're talking about 10 truths no one tells you after infidelity but should. These aren't cliches or empty reassurances. These are real, therapist-informed insights that can help you feel seen, validated, and supported. Let's get into it. Truth number 1. You might not feel anything at first. Shock is powerful. You might expect tears or rage, but many people feel numb, dissociated, or emotionally frozen. That's your brain protecting you from overwhelm, and it's normal. Truth number 2, you'll blame yourself even if you know it's not your fault. You might think, was I enough? Was I too much? Did I drive them away? But here's the truth. Cheating is a choice the other person made, and it's not caused by your flaws. Truth number 3, apologies can feel worse than silence. If your partner says, I'm sorry too soon or without accountability, it can feel hollow or even insulting. Sometimes silence feels more honest than an apology that doesn't match the depth of your pain. Truth number 4, people won't know what to say, and some will say the wrong thing. Even your closest friends might offer advice that hurts. Just leave. You should forgive. It's not a big deal. Their discomfort can make your pain feel dismissed. Truth number 5, you'll miss them even while you're furious. Yes, even if they broke your heart, you might miss the connection, the routine, or the version of them you thought was real. Grief is layered and complicated. Truth number 6, you'll want answers that may never come. You'll have 1,000 questions: why, how, who, when. But even if your partner tells you everything, it still may not bring closure, and some answers might hurt more than help. Truth number 7, trust won't just come back. It has to be rebuilt step by step. There's no reset button. Even if your partner is trying, trust is rebuilt over time through consistent action, honesty, and transparency, not promises. Truth number 8, you'll swing between wanting to fix it and wanting to burn it all down. This emotional whiplash is normal. One moment you want to work it out, the next you want to disappear. Your mind is trying to protect you while searching for hope. Let yourself feel both. Truth number 9, infidelity is trauma, not just a relationship problem. Cheating doesn't just hurt your feelings, it breaks your emotional safety. You may have nightmares, panic attacks, trouble concentrating. That's not overreacting, that's betrayal trauma. Truth number 10, healing starts with you, not them. Whether your partner stays or goes, changes or doesn't, your healing is yours. And it starts the moment you choose to care for yourself with truth, boundaries, and support. Infidelity shatters a lot more than trust. It shatters identity, safety, and sometimes the ability to hope. But these truths, they're here to remind you, you're not alone, you're not weak, you're waking up to the truth, and truth is where healing begins. If this video resonated, check out our full playlist, Just Found Out, First Steps After Betrayal. Subscribe for weekly guidance to help you process the pain, find your footing, and move forward with clarity. We're here with you, every step of the way,